Are you trying to decide between Librecad and Qcad for your design projects? Let's break it down and see which one suits you best. Both Librecad and Qcad are popular tools for 2D computer aided design, also known as CAD. People use them for creating detailed drawings and plans. First, let's look at Librecad. It's an open source software that's free to use. Many hobbyists and professionals alike appreciate its simplicity. It covers basic CAD needs quite effectively, making it accessible not only for experts but also for beginners. It's ideal for straightforward tasks without too much complication. Now, QCAD is a bit different. It's a commercial software with a focus on providing a wide range of features. While it does have a free community edition, the paid version includes additional features. QuickAd is user friendly and offers powerful tools that cover more advanced design requirements. It's a good option for those who need more depth in their projects. So, how do they differ? The main point is their accessibility and range of features. Librecad is completely free and straightforward, while QuickAd has a more extensive feature set but comes at a cost if you want the full version. In terms of features, QCAD often takes the lead with extra functionalities that professionals might need for intricate designs. LibreCAD sticks to more basic tasks, keeping it simple and to the point. For pricing, LibreCAD costs you nothing as it's free. QuickAd offers a free version, but the most powerful tools lie within its paid edition, making it an investment for more serious users. If you're just starting out or need something simple, LibreCAD could be your go to choice. But if you're looking for more advanced capabilities and don't mind paying, QuickAd might be better suited for your needs. Thanks for watching. If this helped you decide, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more comparisons like this.